Contents, select the Volcanoes layer. In the Symbology pane, change the Symbology drop-down to Graduated Symbols. Keep the field set to elevation. Click the Template symbol. Click the Gallery tab and choose the Triangle 3 symbol. Click the Properties heading and set the color to a reddish-brown. Click Apply. The smallest class symbol is barely visible. Click the circled arrow to return to the main Symbology pane. Change the number of classes to 4. Set the minimum size value to 6 point and the maximum size to 20 point.